Good morning students. Today we will discuss about unit 3, that is digital documentation, and the new chapter word processor. So what is word processor? Word processing is a technique of creating, editing, saving and printing the documents. Word processing is a technique that gives us the facility of creating, editing, saving and printing our document. An application software used to perform these tasks is called word processor. So word processor is a software that is used to perform the tasks of creating the document, editing the document, saving and printing the document. So important features of a word processor are: number 1 is the ease and speed. So word processor provide an easy and fast method to type and edit the text. Here editing feature. Next one is, so editing feature provides us various features like copying, moving and deleting the text. The next one is the formatting features. Formatting features. Word processor provides us various features like bold, italic, underline, font name, font face, font color, word art, etc. So storage feature. This feature of word processor allows us to store our documents for the future use. Then the graphic feature is here. Graphic feature allows us to insert the images, pictures, graphics, videos, etc. Then next one is the printing features. Printing feature allows us to print our document. It is also allows us to preview our document before the printing. Then the spell check feature. This feature allows us to make the document error free. Next one is the mail merge feature. Mail merge is a powerful feature that allows us to send a single letter to the multiple recipients. We can send a single document or single letter to the multiple people. The next one is the popular word processors. So here are a list of the popular word processors. The first one is MS Word. This is the most popular word processor. It is desktop utility. And the next one is WordPad. This is also our desktop utility. Then the Google Docs. That is a internet based utility. Next one is OpenOffice. That is also desktop based. Then the LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is also a desktop utility. The next one is Introduction to MS Word. MS Word is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is the most popular and commonly used word processor. It can give us the major operations to perform. The one is creating and saving a document, opening an existing document, and then editing and formatting a document. After editing and formatting, that is previewing and printing our document. The next one is the component of MS Word. We can see here the window of the MS Word. Here we can see in the picture, here are various tabs, ribbons, title bar, ruler, working area, status bar. These are the various components of MS Word. Then quick access toolbar. We can see here in the picture, this is a quick access toolbar. We can see here three buttons. One is save, undo and redo. So quick access toolbar is a toolbar that provides us the commands that are commonly used by the user. We can edit, we can add or remove the commands from here. We can add some more commands here according to our needs. But by default there is three buttons: save, undo and redo. So that is a quick access toolbar. Then the title bar. So title bar is located on the top of the MS Word window. We can see here that is a title bar having the name of the document and the name of the application also. That is a title bar. The next one is ribbon. We can see here in the picture, that is a picture of a ribbon in MS Word. So here we can see what? We can see 8 tabs here. Home tab, insert, page layout, reference, mailing tab, review tab and the view tab. So ribbon contains 8 tabs. These tabs have individual groups like clipboard, font, paragraph, style. Here is another one group, editing. That is not here in the picture. Editing group. So MS Word tabs. Now we will discuss about the various tabs of the MS Word. Home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing. These are 8 tabs we will discuss here. These are the various groups of these tabs. Various groups inside these tabs. So in this lecture we will explain the home tab and its groups. So starting from the home tab, we can see in the picture. We can see here in the picture, home tab is having 5 groups. Clipboard, font, paragraph and style and editing. These are the 5 groups. Then next one is the clipboard. First of all we will talk about clipboard. A clipboard is a temporary storage area for data that the user wants to copy from one place to another. Font group is used to change the font size, font face, font color, text highlight color, shrinking and growing options. Various options are there in the font group. Then the paragraph group, it contains options for paragraph indent, bullet, sorting, border, shading, alignment, line spacing, color background, etc. Then the style group, it is used to change the style of the text of the document. Editing, we can use find and replace to find our text and replace option to replace the particular text. These are 5 groups in the home tab. Then next one is the next component of the MS Word is work area. Then work area is working area, we can say it. This blank area is that where we can type, edit and format the text. Then next one is ruler. Vertical ruler allow us to format the vertical alignment, and using the horizontal ruler we can modify the indent, margins, tab stops and the page measurement. Then the scroll bar. Scroll bar is located at the bottom of the window. That is about the horizontal scroll bar, and vertical scroll bar is located at the right side. We are having 2 scroll bars. One is horizontal scroll bar, another one is vertical scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar is located at the bottom, but the right side पे located है आपका vertical scroll bar. So next one is the status bar. It is located at the bottom of window. So status bar is having the information about your page number, and that means number of page in your document and the number of words in your document. So that is about the home tab and its group.